Hello everyone, I am Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is online communities and co-creation for digital marketing. Online communities and co-creation, an online community also called an internet community. It is a virtual community whose members interact with each other primarily via as the internet. For many online communities, many feel like home, constant for a family and individual friend. Those who is wish to a part as online community usually have to become a member via specified site and necessary need an internet connection. An online community can act as the information system where the member can post comments and discussion, give advice to collaborate. People may also join online communities through video game, blogs, and virtual worlds. Four types of online communities and their top of benefits for each other. In the Enterprise Guide to Online Community, Taradol, Chief Sale and Marketing Officer at Vision Cricket identify four types of communities. Social community, including public social networking like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Social community are used for tracking what you competitor are up and the identifying board of consumer trends. Brands are use social community mostly for marketing purpose, broadcasting information, building brand awareness, and reaching greater than audience to campaigning for the messaging. 93% in the large company use Facebook accounts in 2015 social media examiner report. Second one, sporting communities enable member to offer product tips to another customer, helping the company reduce customer support of site. According to the 2015 Forest Research Report, 81% of the have to support community of some kids. Compare of social communities, these category providing a more structured way of the gathering innovative idea because sport communities also brand to track product and service related to conversations. And third one, advocate communities allow brand to mobilize their the most passionate and loyal customer. According to Roman's principal analysis of forecast research, branded consumer communicate to communities of this type of can be help of the boost positive word of the mouth. Also known as advocate marketing software, this is the community type of the rewards member of the writing in the text dot. The positive about the company, social media and doing this similar activity. And last one, inside communities are, are made up of the carefully selected group of customers who they maintain a long-term relationship with the brand. Already a mainstream market research tool, this category quickly find its way to marketing, customer experience and innovation. These are community allow company to gather continuously and high quality feedback from the engaged stakeholder like customer, partners or employees. Thank you.